This is what I'm going to call a tech tip for all of my HVAC guys and techs out there. There's no reason to keep 50 different types of capacitors or contactors when there's no need for it. All you need is a 2-pole 40 amp contactor. That will take place of 2-pole 40 amp, 2-pole 30 amp, single pole 30 amp, single pole 40 amp. This is the brand you want right here. When you get it, it comes in this box. It's sealed in its own baggie with a desiccant bag. It's a really top-notch, really robust, heavy-duty contactor. And look right there. It has a 50 amp resistive load. So this will handle your heat kit, 10 kW. It's all you need. You don't need to keep a single pole 30, a single pole 40, 2-pole this. This is all you need. It has a 24 volt coil, full load amps 40, locked rotor amps 240. I mean, geez, what more could you ask for? And I'm telling you, this thing is, the way the lid is made, it's made actually, the screw underneath, it has a notch for it. It keeps ants and everything out. So, oh hush. But this is what you need right here. So, no need packing all those contactors around.